mainstream. My same team get all the shine they wanna be.
All right, now we are out here, guys. We're out here meeting with the troopers. We're about to get a police escort all the way out to the Hoover Dam, 35 miles. You know we're gonna play around. So if you guys wanna have some fun, watch some cool content, supercars, you're gonna watch the ZL1 tear some ass up, please stay tuned. And let's just get into the intro.
Breaking rhymes in a tour bus, we stay real to the core of us. They talk shit about Rat Pack, but every day when it's...
All right, guys, so we are out here. All right, we are getting ready to meet up. Linking up. We're just doing this briefing real quick from the state troopers. You know they're gonna tell us to be good and not do anything stupid and all that good stuff. Thomas left his lift up again. God damn it, Thomas. Happy birthday, dear Thomas. And it's not even his birthday. Damn.
We're gonna be going out this side exit. They're gonna block it for us. Then the next exit, which is going to be taking us down on Las Vegas Boulevard. That should be enough.
All right, guys. Well, we are getting in the vehicles. And then, yeah, we're on it, man. So, Bree's in the car. She's waiting. I know she's ready to go. Again, like you said, we have the cops. We're going to play it smart. And we're going to have fun, man. Again, check the baby out. Check it out. Go ahead and like and subscribe, guys. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so we are on the road and we are moving and grooving, baby. Alright, oh wait, you ain't cutting me off. Alright, so the cops are, again, letting us through the interstate, letting us through the city, 35 miles to the dam. Pretty sure when we get out of the city, we can play a little bit, so let's see. Stay tuned. Again, if you didn't hit that like button, go ahead and hit it. Don't forget it. Peace. You record me. Here goes everybody. I see you. I see you. Twin turbo R8, baby. God damn it, they all sound so sick, guys. Look who it is. Ain't no, you didn't get hit by no rocks, did you? Okay. Ooh, there we go. Let him know. Let him know. Hey, what's up, man? All right, all right. All right, the rest of the Corsa fam coming through. What's up, brother, man? All right. All right, bro. Well, we made it to the top, guys. If I sound out of breath and tired, it's because I am. There goes all the cars. Looking beautiful down there. All right, we have made it to the dam. It's sick up here, man. It is so sick. But let's go ahead and work our way back down. All these damn steps. Cop going so goddamn fast in my goddamn life. This goddamn amazing, goddamn it. Stop it. Get some help.
So on the way to the dam.
On the way to the goddamn dam. I'll translate it for you. Go ahead.
We were following it was a pickup truck.
We're goddamn right behind a goddamn state trooper truck. Goddamn so goddamn heavy. Couldn't even go as fast as we needed to go. Goddamn it.
So this time we're following a Charger.
All right, so goddamn, we got rid of that goddamn slow ass truck and we put a goddamn fast state trooper Charger in front of us. So we gonna go ahead and go ahead and just like that. Goddamn it. Goddamn.
You get the point.
You get the goddamn point. You understand? If you don't understand, get your goddamn ass back up. Go to school. Go to college. Go ahead and go some online shit. Get a goddamn GED. Goddamn it. Stopped to eat. We are in the mountains. It is beautiful. I'll show you some of the views real quick of the restaurant, but I'm starving.